Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Child Welfare Council Punjab, they are observing the state level Veer Bal Divas over here in Ludhiana. We are having with us CWC chairperson Mrs. Prajakta Avhad. So ma'am, please how you take this Veer Bal Divas?
वीर बाल दिवस जो अपनी पंजाब की हिस्ट्री है, साहिबजादों की जो शहादत है, हम चाहते हैं कि उस विरासत को, उस हिस्ट्री को बच्चों तक पहुंचा जाए अगली वाली जनरेशन का, ताकि हम आज जो फ्रीडम और आज हम जो खुशी खुशी हर चीज़ मनाते समय बिताते हैं, उसके पीछे कितने लोगों की शहादत है ये बच्चों को पता चले। इसके साथ शब्द गायन और बाकी कॉम्पिटिशन्स के माध्यम से हम बच्चों को अवेयर करना चाहते हैं अलग अलग जो इश्यूज़ है, सोशल इश्यूज़ है, कल्चरल इश्यूज़ है, उसके बारे में। और उसका मकसद एक और भी होता है कि पंजाब के अलग अलग डिस्ट्रिक्ट से बच्चे आते हैं तो उनमें आपसी एक मेल मिलाप हो जाता है, दोस्ताना हो जाता है। तो चाइल्ड वेलफेयर काउंसिल कोशिश करती रहती है कि पंजाब के बच्चों के लिए हम कुछ ना कुछ करते रहे, और ये वीर बाल दिवस और चिल्ड्रंस डे भी हम कहते हैं उसको, ये एक उसमें से ये उपराला है।
As if we talk about the child welfare across the Punjab, how CWC is working for them?
CWC works through all the deputy commissioners in every districts. So we are trying our best to expand our activities in all 23 districts of Punjab. Currently we are not active in all districts. We run various welfare projects like evening schools, crèche centers, computer centers on the regular basis. Other than that, we help COVID affected children who lost their parents. So we help them by funding their education and other smaller expenses. Other than that, we conduct annual painting competitions to district level, division level, state level, and our winners paintings are sent to the national level. So for past many years, Punjab has been winning painting competitions at national levels, and so they get the special sponsorship scholarships as well. Other than that, we send children's bravery, we refer the children's achievements for the bravery awards as well. So 2 years ago we celebrated the national level Learn to Live Together camp. So it was a really memorable event because almost from 17 to 18 states of India, the kids participated in that 8-day camp we held in Mohali.
If you talk about the crime on the minors, especially the minor girls, even the recently incident occurred in Jalandhar where rape attempt and murder took place. So how you see these kind of incidents which are increasing across the Punjab as well as especially among the migrant population?
Yes, certainly. I will say that these kind of crimes are on the rise in different districts of not only in Punjab but all over India, I will say. And there are various reasons: lots of migrations, poverty, unemployment, and easy technology available in like everybody has a mobile phone. So it depends on you how you are using the technology. If you are using it for studies, or if you are using it for getting new information to support your career, then that is a good technology. But
Reasons you see, it is lack of awareness among the minors
yes,
or
no.
some psychological factors among the adults?
It is a psychological factors. Like, I won't say a lack of awareness among the minors, because I think in every school now they teach the children like good touch, bad touch, and kind of sex education as well. But still, the efforts are very less. And I think that as a society, we have more responsibility towards the children. That if something happening, even if you have if you feel that the child is insecure in particular situation, so we should help. We should reach out to the concerned officers, police, that something may happen. So I think it is more of a social responsibility. We can't blame the parents or government for that. It is our social responsibility.
What is your appeal that how the stakeholders they should come forward and they should work to eradicate this malice?
Each and every stakeholder, like an NGO like Child Welfare Council, every individual, every teacher, every school, every I will say a social worker, volunteer, along with them the police people, judiciary officers, because the laws are there, the acts are there, the system is there, but we are not able to convert that into spirits, like it is in letters and spirits. So we have every law and every provision in letters, but we fail to convert them into spirits. So
Implement is not effective.
implementation, and I won't blame the agencies, because they are very less in numbers. So we can't blame everything for to the government or for the police people or for the officers. Each one of us should take the responsibility. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So she was CWC chairperson, Mrs. Prajakta Avhad. So she has highlighted the how Child Welfare Council it is work for the welfare of children across Punjab. And while talking about the crime against minors, especially the minors girls, she appealed all the stakeholders, whether it is the school teachers or the society or the residents, locals, everyone should work contribute their efforts to eradicate the menace against the minors. So you are watching The Suera. Stay tuned to us for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.